Today, I will share with you my delicious Moroccan keto vegan tagine. It is so easy to make. You can eat it with your keto bread, or it can be a side dish for your fish or steak, as you like. Grüezi and hello YouTube family. My name is Karima and welcome back to Keto Mountain from beautiful Switzerland. First of all, many thanks for your support. I am very excited about how well you received my first video. We really appreciate it. Thanks as well for all of the comments and your recommendation how to improve. I'll try to answer as many as possible. So now, let's go and grab our veggies. I am choosing today a variety of vegetables, but feel free to experiment with the vegetables that you like. Maybe I would avoid broccoli. I think it does not fit well. So now, let's talk about the tagine. For best results, I would encourage you to get a tagine. If you can't get it there where you live, I put a few affiliate links down below for ones that I like. For example, from Amazon. If you use those links, you will be supporting our channel at no cost to you. Alternatively, you can use your frying pan or your casserole. I put the recipe down below in the info box in English as well in German language, including both American and international measurements. And if you have any question, please just put it in the chat. If you are new here, please subscribe and support this channel and hit this notification bell for my next video so you don't miss anything. Now, let's start with the sauce and build our tagine. For our marinade, we will need 2 to 3 tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons parsley, 1 to 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and 1 teaspoon harisa, optional. Almost forgot my oil. 2 tablespoons avocado oil or olive oil. Now, let's start with the veggies. I am using here 3 small onions, 2 tomatoes. Here I am just using a piece of Savoy cabbage. Here we want to start to put our marinade. You just need 2 to 3 tablespoons. Here as well, I'm just taking a piece of white cabbage. Two to 3 mini eggplants. I am putting again our marinade, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Three radish. 1 round zucchini, two zucchinis, again our marinade, one red paprika and then one yellow paprika. And guess what? Again, our marinade. Here I am using only a few pieces of cauliflower. Set your burner on medium-high. I am using my old griddle pan just to protect my tagine from direct heat. Now we put the rest of marinade on the vegetables and then let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes. The smell is just unbelievable. Remove your tagine from the burner and add about 4 tablespoons olive oil. Now enjoy your vegan tagine. Guten Appetit! I hope you liked the recipe and thank you for watching.